The NuFACE Trinity Wrinkle Reducer is an FDA-cleared red LED treatment attachment for the NuFACE Trinity that naturally reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Before you begin, firmly press the attachment release button on your NuFACE Trinity device to remove the facial trainer, and firmly press the button again to attach the wrinkle reducer. Step 1. Prep. Cleanse the skin, removing any makeup, oils, and impurities, and pat the skin dry. Press the on-off button to power on the wrinkle reducer. Step 2. Smooth. Place the wrinkle reducer in direct contact with the skin over fine lines and wrinkles to treat any or all of the 7 sections shown. The wrinkle reducer will illuminate once it is in direct contact with the skin. Treat each section for 3 minutes until you hear a solid beep. Continue to treat fine lines and wrinkles on all areas of the face. Step 3. Finish. After 21 minutes, the wrinkle reducer will automatically shut off, letting you know you have completed your treatment. If it does not shut off automatically, you can manually power off the device. Place on the charging cradle after every treatment. Continue with your normal skincare routine or begin your NuFACE microcurrent treatment. Use the wrinkle reducer no more than 3 minutes per area, up to 21 minutes per day for the entire face. For best results, use the wrinkle reducer 5 times a week for the first 60 days. After 60 days, use 2 to 3 times a week to maintain the results. For more NuFACE treatment tips, follow My NuFACE on social media or visit us at mynuface.com.